Our machine tools cost millions of dollars, but they are useless if our power goes out. Our customers depend upon us to deliver product on time. Extended power outages could cripple our business and put our employees' jobs at risk. It is extremely important that Maine utilities make the necessary investments to ensure a reliable supply of electricity.
Maine's economy depends on a reliable supply of electricity. Whether building ships at Bath Iron Works, processing orders at LL Bean, or brewing coffee at your favorite takeout, Maine businesses simply stop working without electricity. Nothing is more important to our economy than a reliable supply of electric power.
Hi, I'm Sarah Burns, President of Central Maine Power Company. We put together the Maine Power Reliability Program to study the future needs of Maine's power transmission system and to ensure that we can continue to deliver electricity reliably to meet the needs of our customers. Over the next few minutes, you will hear about the Maine Power Reliability Program and why CMP is proposing a substantial investment in our transmission system. If you would like additional information or wish to offer comments, please visit our website at www.mainpower.com.
People ask, just what is the power transmission system? Well, transmission lines interconnect Maine with the rest of North America and deliver electricity from generating plants to areas where electricity is needed. From there, distribution lines deliver electricity to where it is used by our customers. The network of large power lines is also commonly called the electric grid. It's like the interstate and primary highways, providing a high-capacity path to move large amounts of electricity to you.
CMP delivers electricity generated by other companies. To do our job, CMP annually invests many millions of dollars to maintain and operate its power delivery system to meet the needs of our customers. In order to ensure long-term reliability, we must carefully plan for the future and make investments in our system. So when you flip a switch, we're there.
On August 14, 2003, large portions of the Midwest, the Northeast, and Ontario, Canada experienced an electric power blackout. The outage affected approximately 50 million people, and the power was not restored for 4 days in some parts of the United States. The blackout had a major economic impact, which led to recommendations for improving reliability of the electric power grid.
CMP's 345 kV transmission system was put into service in 1971. Since then, population growth and the doubling of electric power demand have raised reliability concerns for the future. In response to this growth, CMP and ISO New England, which operates the New England power grid, studied the Maine system and identified critical needs. Also, CMP commissioned a separate study to evaluate alternatives to building new transmission lines, such as energy conservation programs.
Engineering studies indicate that the system is reliable today, but major problems could lie ahead. We created a computer model of Maine's transmission system and performed simulations based upon the forecasted power requirement in 2017. We tested the system for the loss of generators, power lines, and other critical equipment. Our analysis shows a growing risk of major blackouts by 2017 if we don't make significant investments in the Maine transmission system.
We simulated hundreds of potential problems under many different operating conditions in accordance with national electric reliability standards. This simulation illustrates the loss of a 115 kV power line. The result is a rolling blackout in 3 coastal counties. In this simulation, people in the region could experience alternating periods with power and no power until the line is restored. The next simulation illustrates the loss of a large power transformer in southern Maine. The result of this event is a blackout of Cumberland and York counties, which could last a day or possibly longer. The study recommended a number of major improvements to the system. Additional 345 kV power lines and transformers are needed in central and southern Maine, and several 115 kV power lines and related equipment must be added, replaced, or upgraded to handle the expected demand for Maine's growing communities.
CMP's planning team carefully reviewed several alternative routes for building additional power lines and upgrading existing lines. Our team took into consideration costs, impacts on the environment, property owners, and many other factors. We worked hard to identify alternative solutions to reduce the need for transmission upgrades, such as programs designed to reduce peak demand for electricity.
Environmental assessment teams walked hundreds of miles of existing power line corridors to survey vernal pools, wetlands, and other sensitive resources. This work will help our program engineers choose designs and construction methods to minimize possible impacts on the environment, wildlife, and our neighbors.
After an exhaustive study, we selected routes and equipment sites which balance and minimize impacts on abutting property owners, the environment, and our customers. The proposed transmission projects will be subject to approval by the Maine Public Utilities Commission, state and federal agencies, and local governments.
CMP plans to invest hundreds of millions of dollars in our transmission system, providing critical support for Maine's economy and creating jobs for Maine workers. This investment will ensure a safe and secure supply of power, enhance system reliability, improve power quality, improve operating efficiency, and strengthen Maine's economy. In short, with the Maine Power Reliability Program, CMP is building the infrastructure to deliver reliable electric power for Maine's future.